Assalamu alaikum. This is Amir Nuruddin Islam from Bhola Polytechnic Institute. And first of all, I think all of you guys are so much spiritual and good by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm so much pretty and good by the grace of Almighty Allah. First of all, I would like to thank our cameraman, Jihan Talukdar. And right now, I want to describe a topic because of when I want to speak in front of camera, at the time I have to describe any kind of topic. And right now, I would like to describe the importance of learning English. And I think you know there are so many good things, and English is so much significant in our life. We cannot thought anything without English. You get the best result when we browse any kind of browser. That time we need to know English, and when we want to create any kind of Facebook account or Gmail account, that time we have to know English. Otherwise we cannot solve our any kind of problem. And when we want to go to abroad for our study, that time we have to know English, because of English is spoken all over the world. And when we want to communicate with foreign people, that time we have to know English, because of this there is only one language. This language is available in all kind of countries. And you know that our future life is transformed English. That's why we have to know English, and this is the high time to practice English, and this is the high time to develop our life. We cannot get back the time again. That's why we have to focus on our time, and we have to select our goal. If we can select our goal, the time we can easily carry on our life. Otherwise we cannot carry on our life perfectly. That's why right now we have to select our main goal, and we have to carry on our practicing every day, every single day. When we can get the free time, that time we should practice English, and English is so much vital thing in our life. That's why we have to focus on this key. Okay, right now you know that there are so many people. That's why I'm so much excited, so that I cannot explain the topic perfectly. Inshallah, if you can support me, then I will be good day by day, inshallah. Okay, there are so many people, so many students, and the weather is so much good because of this is the winter season in Bangladesh. And this winter season is so much important in our life, because of winter. That's mean like a season, and this season we can get a lot of things, like we can play badminton, and we can play also a lot of things. Yeah, I have finished, and if you have any kind of question, then inform me in comment box. Inshallah, I will try to answer it. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.